We went into a number of schools, gave taster sessions in robotics, and they were able to work and develop their robotics skills over a period of several weeks leading up to today.
You get a glimpse into the future when you come to these kind of events. We are keen to bring the next generation of roboticists online.
We've used the strong relationships that Excel has with the local authorities here in Newham and the Harris Academies to create something which these kids are going to remember forever.
It is just huge for the kids. It's something that they have never experienced before and that we believe is going to enrich their knowledge immensely.
Robotics is the future, you are the future.
Some people say that girls can't do robotics, but I believe that's wrong. And I think if these programs continue in schools, that girls will grow up with a better foundation and will really grow into those spaces.
So we've set them an assault course for their robot to navigate. But above and beyond that, they are having a whole day's worth of activities here at the conference.
Attendance at the ICRA conference has just opened up the box and blown their minds about the possibilities for them and their futures, all the different fields they could work in.
I'll gladly do more robotic activities. I really enjoy them.
Thank you, because today was really good.
I was quite astonished by the level of engagement that you could see. If one of these kids ends up as a roboticist, we've won.